In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to enable and disable Wi-Fi on the Epson L18050 and L8050 printers. The steps are very simple and can be done in just a few minutes.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
To turn on Wi-Fi Direct, press and hold both the Wi-Fi button and the network button on the printer at the same time. Keep holding until two lights start blinking and the Wi-Fi Direct light stays solid. Now the blue Wi-Fi Direct light is steady, showing Wi-Fi Direct is on. To enable Wi-Fi router mode, just repeat the same steps again. To turn off the Wi-Fi, you can use a simple button method. First, press and hold the power button. Then, while holding it, also press and hold the network button. Keep holding both buttons until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. Now wait for about 20 seconds to let the Wi-Fi turn off completely. This short pause helps the process finish properly. As you can see, the printer's Wi-Fi has been successfully turned off in just a few seconds. It is quick and very easy to do.